Hello viewers, today we will solve some previous year problems, numerical problems on the Coulomb's law, electric potential and electric field intensity. This is the part 2. In the previous part, that is in part 1, we have discussed about the 5 important previous year problems, and today we will solve some important previous year's problem. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Before that, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Today's first question, a previous year question of AI PMT. The electric potential at a point XYZ is given by V equal to minus x square y minus xz cube plus 4. The electric field intensity E at that point is, you have to find the electric field intensity at that point. 4 options are given. We know the electric field intensity at a particular point is given by E equal to minus dVdr. Right? Now you have to find here the 3 components of electric field intensity. First, find the x component of electric field intensity, Ex equal to minus dVdx. Here R is equal to Ix plus Jy plus Kz. So minus dVdx, what will be the value of the minus dVdx? Minus of 2xy minus z cube. That is minus 2xy plus z cube. Similarly, the y component of electric field intensity will be Ey equal to minus dV dy, which will be equal to minus of minus x square, that is x square, and the z component of electric field intensity will be Ez equal to minus dV dz, that is minus of minus 3xz square or 3xz square. Right? So the electric field intensity at the said point will be equal to, here this will be minus, so this will be plus 2xy plus z cube I cap plus x square j cap plus 3xz square k cap. So you can see that option A, only option A is the correct answer. Our next question, question number 2. The electric field in a certain region is given by E vector equal to 5i minus 3j kilovolt per meter. The potential difference VB minus VA between the points A and B having the coordinates 403 meter and 1030 meter respectively is equal to, 4 options are given, 21 kilovolt, minus 21 kilovolt, 39 kilovolt or minus 39 kilovolt. Look, here the electric field intensity E is given by 5I minus 3J kilovolt per meter, right? The potential difference between the 2 points A and B is given by VA minus VB equal to minus E dot dr integration over RA to RB. Now we know the position coordinate R is given by xi plus yj plus zk. So dr, the value of dr will be dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Okay. Now minus integration. The coordinate of point A is 403 and that of point B is 1030. Now E is equal to 5i minus 3j, 5i minus 3j dot dr dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So the dot product will be integration 403 to 1030 5 dx minus 3 dy, right? Or you can write it as in the next line that minus 4 to 10, because the x coordinate changes from 4 to 10, 5 dx minus 3 into 0 to 3 dy. Okay, so it will be minus 5 into x, the limit will be 4 to 10 minus this is plus, so positive plus 3 into 0 to 3 y, 0 to 3. Now solve it. Minus 5 into 10 minus 4, that is 6, plus 3 into 3 minus 0, that is 9, that is 3. 3 minus 0, 3. So this will become minus 30 plus 9 or minus 21 kilovolt. Minus 21 kilovolt. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. Equal charges are given to two spheres of different radii. The potential will, option A, be more on the smaller sphere, option B, be more on the bigger sphere, option C, be equal on both the spheres, or option D, depend on the nature of the materials of the spheres. Now we know the potential is given by K into Q by R, that is V is inversely proportional to R. So the potential will be greater for the smaller sphere. That is option A will be the right answer. Today's last question, question number 4. A bullet of mass 2 gram is having a charge of 2 microcoulomb. Through what potential difference must it be accelerated starting from rest to acquire a speed of 10 meter per second? 5 kilovolt, 50 kilovolt, 5 volt or 50 volt. Now the kinetic energy of the bullet is given by half mv square, where m is the mass and this v is the velocity of the bullet. This will be the energy, this is the kinetic energy, and this energy should be equal to the q into v, because we know the energy is given by the charge into the potential difference, right? So E will be equal to q into v. So these two energy should be same. Here this q is the charge and capital V is the potential difference. Okay, now we have to find this potential difference. Half into the value of m is 2 gram, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, into speed. What is the velocity? Speed 10 meter per second square. 10 square will be equal to 2 into 10 to the minus 6. This is the charge of the bullet and the potential difference. So 10 to the power minus 1 equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So the value of V will be 50 kilovolt. That is option B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.